around the world. Trust me, I have had a whole lot of beautiful feelings, but no feeling feels better than the feeling of being a mother. So today, I am wishing every mother a very happy, blessed Mother's Sunday. And I'm standing in gap to pray for every woman who wants to have the feeling of being a mother. Every woman who is craving to feel what it feels like to be a mother. I pray that God locates you, that God opens your womb, that God opens your arms to carry your own child, so you can have this beautiful feeling, so you can feel it. Happy blessed Mother's Sunday. I love you all. Ndene mama.
Isokwa, happy Mothering Sunday to every mothers out there. May God bless all of us. Amen. Join my people. The joy of every woman is to witness motherhood. Actress Ekene Umenwo rejoices as she celebrates her first Mothering Sunday as a mom. Oma, congratulations to her. Guys, let's wish her well in the comments. This Ekene Umenwo's daughter is so adorable. Like, she's very, very beautiful. I don't even know between her mom and her dad who she resembles, but I know that she carry Ekene's.
Mama maka nerio do hayama yama nerio do na maka ezinde negi ma o ne barure no na no.